Hello guys, in this video I will share my experience about Fiverr, and in this video I will share you how you can get past the Fiverr skill test. So if you want to take any type of test on Fiverr test, okay, you will see a lot of tests on Fiverr. And if you want to get past them, like if you want to do English test, Fiverr English test answer 2014, you need to take some time and write this question that's in the below, and it will be not 100% sure that this question will be asked for the same to you, but it will be different, but it can be like 40 to 50% similar question. And if you read almost 5 to 6 websites question, you will definitely get 80% plus mark on your exam. Okay, so this is how you can pass your Fiverr test with a good result. And this is not to copy paste, just you need to learn. You can see here is the here is the answer, and here is the question. So this is how you can easily pass your Fiverr skill test. So this is how you can pass. And if you need any kind of tutorial, just comment me below and I will definitely try to make this video for you. Thank you. Bye bye.